everyone, this is me, Vivyan in Hairstyle channel, and today I will explain you why I always wear, well, almost all my videos, I wear this t-shirt on, and this t-shirt look like a polo t-shirt, and you see this logo on it, and that's my logo. I've been for years active as a hairdresser, so this is my own official logo, Vivyan Hair Design Vivyan, unisex, it means for men and women and children. So Vivyan Hair Design, you can find me everywhere on social medias. And this on my shoulder, as you see, many flags, and the flag of Europe, because I'm located in Europe and I have multi-international customers, so that's why I have this on. So many people know us for many years being active, and because if you've seen my previous videos, I'm explaining where I was born and where I've been living all this time and why I speak 6 languages. So I will say check that video out so you know more about me. But yeah, this is the t-shirt I wear. So many people comment and send me messages like why you have this t-shirt on, because this is how most people know me, especially my international customers. And yeah, I would say if this video gets 5,000 likes, I will give 5 t-shirts, Vivyan Hair Design t-shirt away. So if you want to have the same t-shirt I wear in my videos, so please like this video. Let's get it to 5,000 likes and I will give 5 t-shirts free away for the people who voted. So we will do like a lottery. Okay, so that was for today. I hope I answered your question, and if you have other questions, please comment below and I will answer all your questions. So yeah, this is Vivyan in Hairstyle channel. That was it for today. See you next time. For now, I'll say goodbye. Ciao, ciao.